Forest, wildlife, clean air, safe water, our lives are deeply connected to nature, and much of that depends on what we do with our life. Sustainable Development Goal 15 is about protecting, restoring, and promoting the sustainable use of land-based ecosystems. But today, our planet's life support systems are being destroyed.
Good day everyone, we are the fourth group and we are here to discuss about one of the most important goals for a better tomorrow and for the next generation. SDG 15 or Life on Land. It is not just forests, it is so much more and beyond that. It is about saving itself, both human and non-human.
Forests cover almost a third of the Earth's surface. They are the home of 80% of the world's terrestrial species. They help regulate our climate, purifying water, and support our livelihoods, but they're disappearing fast. Every minute, we lose about one football field of forest. That's over 10 million hectares a year gone. The biggest causes? Logging, agriculture, mining, and urban sprawl.
Forests are destroyed, animals lost their homes. Animals get wild, carbon is released into the air, and the Earth's temperature rises. This is not just an environmental crisis, it's a survival issue.
Deforestation also increases the risk of flood, drought, and soil erosion. It makes food harder to grow and clean water to find, and it affect local communities, especially the less privileged.
More than 1 million species are at risk of extinction, many of them because their habitat.
Here in the Philippines, deforestation has already wiped out large areas of our forests. This threatens native species like the Philippine eagle and increases natural disasters like flash floods and landslides.
And it affects people too. Indigenous communities lost their homes, farmers struggle to grow crops, and with fewer trees to absorb carbon. Climate change speeds up.
The good news? We still have time to fix this, but we must act now.
Start with small actions, plant trees, join cleanup drives, avoid single use of plastics, support tree plantings and deforestation programs.
Buy local, sustainable products. Use less paper, reduce meat consumption. This all reduce pressure on our land.
Join environmental clubs, volunteer for green projects, and be a role model by sharing the information and knowledge you know about it to educate others. The more people know, the more people care.
And don't underestimate your voice. Advocate for policies that protect our forests and wildlife. Our generation can shape a greener future. By protecting forests, we protect ourselves and future generations.
Together, we can restore ecosystems, fight climate change, and preserve biodiversity.
Let's act now because the earth can't wait.
Protect forests, preserve life, support SDG 15, and help grow a world where nature and humanity thrive together.